Disneyland Paris. You often think you know the place until you take a step back and look at it from above. Because right next to Disneyland Park, there's another one you may have already walked through, but it's changed a lot. Today, it's time to rediscover it after its transformation. Disney Adventure World, the second park at Disneyland Paris, where your favorite stories become adventures you can truly live. Let's go! Let's step together through the gates of these immersive worlds. We're starting our visit at Place des Frères Lumière, at the foot of World Premiere. This square's name honors the pioneers of cinema, thanks to whom stories come to life on the big screen. With a simple movement, the image starts to move, and imagination does the rest. Once you've passed through the doors of World Premiere, come and attend a premiere. Following Hollywood Boulevard, get ready at Mickey's and Hollywood Boutique. Or enjoy a relaxing pause at Hollywood Gardens Restaurant. At the end of the avenue, the Disney Theater opens its doors to immersive worlds. World Premiere Plaza is where all the stories begin. Here, the theaters are gathered just a few steps from one another and offer shows all throughout the day. Right now, Mickey and the Magician plunge you into the greatest Disney stories. Over here, Stitch has fun with the audience in Stitch Live, and Minnie's Dream Factory keeps the magic going again and again. And of course, together, a Pixar musical adventure brings to life the most iconic music from the films that make you dream. But if you're feeling bold, looking for an experience that pushes the limits of imagination, you can dive into the fourth dimension. Welcome to the Twilight Zone Tower of Terror, a ride that will drop you from way up high. Literally, you'll plunge 13 stories. Don't be afraid, only thrills await you. Now let's head to the first immersive world, Marvel Avengers Campus. This former Stark Industries complex has been taken over by Iron Man to train the Avengers. And today, it's your turn. You're the new recruits. On Spider-Man Web Adventure, Peter Parker pulls you into his experiments, and you get to take part in them. Among them are the Spider-Bots, little creatures that are just a bit too independent, and that you can also find at the Mission Equipment Shop. And speaking of missions, on Avengers Assemble, Flight Force, Iron Man and Captain Marvel are counting on you to help protect Earth from the Kree. And if adventure makes you hungry, the food trucks are there to refuel you. All around the campus, it's common to bump into superheroes between two missions. But to really meet them, head to the Hero Training Center. There, they'll share a few tips about power and responsibility. Well, something along those lines. A little further on, Stark Factory Pizza and Pasta welcomes you. The factory has changed its purpose, but not its atmosphere, and you can enjoy your meal right next to the Hulkbuster being repaired. At Marvel Pym Kitchen, the buffet plays with proportions, mixing oversized dishes with surprising mini formats. It's important to refuel when you're getting ready to save the world. Another immersive world unfolds on the other side of the park, Worlds of Pixar. Here, everything starts in motion aboard Crush's coaster, where you let yourself be carried by the East Australian current. Hang on tight, it's fast. Just opposite, Cars Quatre Roues Rally whisks you into a mechanical dance of spins and turns. Then, at the end of the road, the scenery changes. No desert this time, but Paris, the capital of fine dining. With Ratatouille, the totally zany adventure of Remy, you shrink down to his size and race through the city at full speed all the way to his kitchen in the middle of service. At Bistro Chez Remy, everything is designed to match the little chef's scale, right down to the corks that serve as chairs. To make the magic last, drop by the boutique Chez Marianne and bring home a little piece of this bold Parisian adventure. Back on the road. After a stop at the Laugh and Go food truck, Carl's road trip takes you through the natural and mechanical wonders of the legendary highway of the American Southwest. Explosive. You arrive in Toy Story Playland. Here, it's the toys that set the pace. On board RC Racer, you'll experience full throttle thrills. Slinky Dog Zigzag. Spin whisks you off on a winding chase. And Toy Soldier's parachute drop launches you into the air before sending you back down in free fall. It can be hard to leave your toys behind, but Jessie and Woody are there to see you through. Here, paths cross, and each one leads to a brand new world. On Adventure Way, music is everywhere. Through feel-good musical moments, the stroll becomes lighter, almost suspended in time. Until you find yourself diving under Rapunzel Tanglespin's dancing lanterns. A little further on, you'll want to linger. At the restaurant Regal View, you can meet Disney princesses over breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Enjoy another privileged vantage point from the Regal View Lounge to admire the beauty of the lake. And speaking of which, on the other side of the water lies the third immersive world of Frozen. The kingdom is celebrating, and right before your eyes, the Snowflake Festival unfolds. Enjoy Nordic specialties at the Nordic Rounds Tavern, and browse the stalls of Fjordful Shop and Arendelle Boutique. Finally, climb the North Mountain aboard Frozen Ever After, which immerses you in the world of Frozen. But if you'd like a more official visit, Anna and Elsa are waiting for you at Arendelle Castle for a royal encounter, or down by the fjord for a celebration in Arendelle. When night falls, head to the lake, where Disney Cascade of Lights turns the area into an open-air stage, blending projections with a magical drone show and erasing the boundary between performance and reality. Whether you come for a day or for several, Disney Adventure World is a place to explore, to wander through, leaving everyone with the feeling of having spent a few hours in several worlds at once. If you enjoyed this guided tour of the park, like this video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss what's coming next. See you soon at Disneyland Paris.